If you're looking for a way to replace your 9-to-5 income online, pay close attention to this video. The single biggest reason why I see most newbies fail online is because they're constantly waiting to be spoon-fed one-on-one before they take any action. I see this all the time. I would literally point right here to say, go right here right now to check out my free training that literally shows you over my shoulder everything that I do to create a full-time income online, and yet people will still comment info waiting for me to send them the link one-on-one that is right in front of them on screen. If you want to create a full-time income online, understand that you must have the mindset of a go-getter. You must be the person that's going to decide, I'm going to make things happen no matter what, without having to wait for someone to, tell me what to do. People claim that they want to be their own boss, but yet they're constantly waiting for someone to say, go right here, do this, click here, do that. And they wait for someone to give them all the instructions before they take any action. So if you want to see exactly how I create a full-time income online, I have everything laid out right here. You could check it out by going to the URL on screen. And if you have any questions before getting started, you could ask me, you could shoot me a quick text. I have my number on pretty much all the videos. And of course, it's right there. Check it out for yourself, and I'll see you there.